Hey everyone, my name is Benjamin Laves with the Agent Resource Team. Today we're going to be diving into something that you guys should be actually familiar with, and that's commission reports. I'm going to give you some tips to help better read and organize your commissions, and all of this is in the hope that you can track your commissions better to ensure you're being paid correctly. It's no secret, everyone loves getting paid commissions. Without a doubt, we want to make sure that that's happening accurately and correctly in your specific situation. So most commission reports can be viewed in Excel. We're going to be taking a look at some of the main components of Excel here today, such as formatting, viewing separate sheets, and after that we're going to dive into a little bit more on how to organize those commission reports. That way they're easily digestible to you as an agent. The first key to taking advantage of Excel is to make sure the file type that you're using will actually work with that program. A lot of the main carriers that we utilize actually have that incorporated as a default setting on your commission reports. Some of the buttons that you may find on those commission reports or your agent portal are actually shown on the screen now. That way you know what to look for when you're trying to pull those. After you've got that downloaded, the document will actually prompt you to enable editing in a yellow bar or ribbon at the top of the screen. Go ahead and enable editing, that way we can continue on in this video. After you have enabled editing, the first thing I always recommend an agent do is to make sure the data available to them is digestible. The first step we're going to do is auto size your cells. You can auto size your cells by selecting the top left-hand triangle in the document. Doing so will highlight the entire document. Then with the entire document selected, you will click on the Home tab, then Format, not Format as Table. Then select both the AutoFit row height and AutoFit column width. This will make sure no data is being hidden from you. Now, I will say, there are some carriers that like to organize your reports into different sheets. Sheets are the multiple different pages that you'll see in an Excel document. You can find these on the bottom left-hand part of your screen. There's a main name carrier that likes to do this on their reporting, so make sure to look in that bottom left-hand corner to see if there are multiple sheets on your report. Now that all your data is available to you, let's go ahead and find ways that we can filter and sort it so you can find things more easily. Let's start by adding filters. These filters will allow you to alphabetize and actually single out data at the top of the row. You can add filters by selecting the title row of data. It should include titles such as member name, policy number, or plan type. Simply select the row number on the left hand of your screen to highlight that row. Then we will click on the Home tab. Then near the far right of your screen, you will see the Sort and Filter box. Click that and select Filter. You should now see some funnels or arrows as part of each of those cells. This is how we will organize the data. Let's say we wanted to sort this report alphabetically by member last name. We would click on the funnel or arrow in the member's last name cell and then select Sort A to Z. All the data tied to each of those members will now be sorted by last name. Say you were trying to find if you had been paid on a specific client or policy. You can actually do this in Excel as well with the Find feature. Simply press on your keyboard the Control key and the F key at the same time. A pop-up will appear that will prompt you to type what you are wanting to find. After putting in the word or data you are trying to find, hit the Enter key and it will highlight that cell that matches what you were trying to find. Hopefully these tips were beneficial to you today. Our whole goal in this video was to make sure you have the capability to track your commissions, view them easier, to make sure you're getting the payment that you deserve as an agent. For any questions on reading your commission report or figuring out how you're getting paid, reach out to Senior Marketing Specialist, 800-689-2800. Again, my name is Benjamin Laves with the Agent Resource Team. I look forward to catching you on the next one.